All right, guys. It's good to be back on the stream. It's good to be back. Who is ready? Who's active with me? We're about to get the stream started. We're about to get the stream started. Let's go live. 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 We're active. We're active. Let's make this thing happen. Let's make this thing happen. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're live. We're live now, guys. We're live now. Let's make this happen. Let's make this happen. Let's make this happen. All right, guys. All right, guys. It's a good day. We haven't had much trades February, and that's because I've not streamed a lot during February. I think this is my second stream of the month. I did one yesterday, and I'm doing one again today. So this is like my second stream for the month. So we're active. We're about to start the analysis. We're about to break down everything we see on the chart. So this is gold. This is gold. 1 second, guys. 1 second. All right, this is gold daily time frame, and you can see how the candles are forming. Let me change to a different gold. Yeah, this is better. Okay, this is gold, the daily time frame, and you can see how the candles are printing. We're using FSCM for trading view to do our analysis today, and let's just break it down quickly. Now this is gold, the daily, and you can see how the daily is. You can see where we have our structures. You see where price came down. We tested this level, the 4,500 level, break below it a bit, gave us a strong um, weak rejection and pull back to the upside, and you can see how the candle is right now. So what I'm going to say is that the previous day ended bearish, but we still have a bullish momentum, and you can see that if you watch closely, you can see that this current candle has no bottom wick. So price might likely create a bottom wick because this is like the start of the week. This should be Monday. So this should be price creating a bottom wick and maybe continue pushing to the upside, or we can just move around here a bit, because I can see that if I drop down to my 4 hours time frame, price is kind of in a range. So I can have my major resistance above here, and I can have my support below here. I think this was the structure and the levels I was working with yesterday, and it's still the same thing that price is representing today. So let's zoom in a bit so you guys can see properly and see exactly what I'm saying. So this is the 4 hour structure, and on a normal lower time frame, I'll be looking for buys above this level and sells below this level. So I want to closely look at this level and avoid placing any random trades and taking any random losses. So that's what we're going to do here. So if I drop down to the 1 hour time frame on gold, what do I see? I see it's very a bit far from my resistance, and we also have like an hour support here, but we also have another one below here as well, and you have another one below here as well. We have another one below here as well. So you can clearly see that the structure is not favorable. It's not the best opportunities or best possible place for us to be looking for opportunities for buys and sells and all. But let's still walk away. So for me, the buys above this level would still come out on top. I still like the buys above the 5,084 region. We have a quick range where price can move for over 400 or 500 pips. It's going to be good, but I don't know. I feel like if I drop down to the 30 minutes time frame, this structure could change a bit. You could do a bit of changing, like it's going to um not be the same. So let's go to our 30 minutes time frame and let's see what the 30 minutes telling us. So the 30 minutes, there was a break of structure. Sorry guys. So in 30 minutes time frame, there was a break of structure, price closing above the certain level. This would have been a quick buy to the upside, but price didn't really move. And you can see this will have to be a quick buy. So let's zoom in, let's see something. Let's see if we had a top week. Okay, this will have been a quick buy for price to push to the upside. If you needed to buy, I think you get like around 40p. If you get around 40, yeah, 50p. This will be a quick buy. Then for, hold on guys. For the sales, like I'm saying, I said that price is not the cleanest right now. You can see it after I've dropped down to the 30 minutes and even the 15. You can see nuclear levels, nuclear setup. The only thing we can do right now, let's take out all this we just put in here. Let's take this out. Let's take this out. Let's take this out and let's take this out. So the only thing I can see for a fact that price can do at this point is, hold on guys, hold on, trying to set up something. um all right. Okay, the only thing I can say price can do at this point is maybe it can come back down to this level for a retest, because this is a proper break and retest structure. Price came back down into the level, and this above this high will have been a perfect buy. Stop loss below for 70p, and price will move about 130, almost 2 to 1 on this trade, or we close around here for 100p. So this would have been a proper buy to push price to the upside. But what can happen now is I don't want to trade this level because the candles are not the best. Like I said, they have all levels everywhere. Like there are levels everywhere. There are levels everywhere. So it's not the best possible place for me to start looking for opportunities, looking for me to buy or sell. Like it's not the best at all. So what I would want price to do at this point is if I can get um maybe a fake out, but I don't think I'm putting much interest in it. So if price can come back down, break below the structure, and we get like a bullish candle closing back above it like this, then we can look for a buy similar to what happened here, and look for a buy for price to continue pushing upward. So we have about 11 minutes to London section, or let's say 10 minutes, and we will decide what to do. But for now, I don't think I don't think Price wants to do anything for us. I don't think Price is interested in doing anything for us. For that, we're just going to wait. And if you're just tuning into the stream, please give the stream a like. Please give us a like and share and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of this when we go live. So you can stream with us and see what we see. So this is what I'm currently talking about on gold. So there's no bias from me now. There's no bias. I just have to wait. This point, you just wait patiently and see what price wants to do. Like you just have to wait to see what price wants to do. So there's nothing else, there's nothing going on. You just wait. It's more of a waiting game at this point now. Just wait. And you just wait and wait and wait and wait till see what we like, and we look to place a trade from it. But for now, we wait. Like the same thing with yesterday. I was here, I was live, I waited, I didn't get what I wanted, and we left the stream. So if I don't get what I want, we will leave the stream again as well. So but for now, we wait and we see how price plays out, and from there we look to place a trade. But for now, we just wait. So 9 more minutes or 7 more minutes. Okay, 8 more minutes. So you can see the price rejecting. So let's look at GJ. Actually, GJ did a very nice trade yesterday, just immediately after the stream. A very nice buy. You guys can see it. This is the buys. Like, this is exactly where the buys is. GJ did a very beautiful buy. Like, I looked at it. I was watching it while it was playing out the test. I didn't enter the trade. I was just looking at the trade while it was playing out beautifully. Like, beautifully. I came down for like 50 something pips. But we won't have closed there. We are closed around this level here, maybe like 40, or maybe 2 to 1. So it should be like 30 something or 40. Yeah, 40. That is where we have looked to close everything. But GJ is I think GJ is waking up a bit. The market structure in GJ is changing, it's becoming a lot more better, which is a good thing, because we left GJ because of the market structure has been really, really bad. So if it's becoming better, because gold now is becoming a lot harder to trade. So if GJ is becoming better, that's why I'm also trading synthetics. So because of the whole market structure, the market structure there is good, and it's the pairs two are very volatile. So if I see GJ giving me a cleaner market structure like before, you can see it's trending, and it's always when market is trending, that's when you can see the best possible outcome of any trade. So you can see this is what it's doing currently. So if I am looking for any opportunities now on GJ, maybe possible sell. Okay, let's do a breakdown on GJ. Let's do a breakdown on GJ. I just have someone that used to love trading GJ. So you can see GJ has broken below, but it hasn't broken below the structure yet. It hasn't broken below the structure. So you can likely see you might just see a fake out, price might just reject back and flip up, but it has moved a lot. It has moved over 140, 160 pips. So this is a lot on GJ. So this is daily. So daily looking like price is coming to retest this daily resistance. So let's see. But let's work our way to the 4 hours. So the 4 hours we have let's remove everything again. Let's remove everything. Move drawing. Then here to iterate everything. So let's see on the 4 hours. Let's scale out. Let's look at it in a more bigger, tinier perspective. Let's see the entire range. So on the 4 hours, price has broken below the 4 hours close bearish, and we have this level here, price broke below, and we have this level price hasn't gotten to yet, but almost gave a weak rejection around it. So what can happen is I will want to see price pull up a bit, pull up to this level here, pull up to this level here, and I look for sales, or from wherever it is right now, it could be a turning point since London is about to open. But wait, let's look at something. Let's actually see if we have any news events. Okay. Um, let's look at this. If this price at this point now decide to start giving a long, like you see, it's already giving a rejection, maybe engulfing the next candle and closing like this, then we can look for a little retest, and we can look to sell the price to the downside. So this is something that can also happen on gold. So let's wait and see how that happens. So looking at the 15 minutes, to 15 minutes is engulfing, so it's good. It's looking like a structured trade. It is broken below this level here, so you might actually get something on GJ. Let's wait for the candle to close. It's very volatile. It's pushing to the downside. Let's wait for this candle to close in the next 4 minutes. Then we'll decide on what to do. So, but for now, there's nothing to do here. We just have to wait and see how the candle closes. Is Google doing anything? Okay, can see it's obviously nothing to trade yet. So this is the cleaner one. GJ is the cleaner one. GJ is the cleaner analysis. And I think I might actually trade GJ today. Hold the guys, hold the line, guys. We have about 2 more minutes to the end of the candle. Let's see how it goes. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. Come say hi. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. We're going for GJ, guys. We're going for GJ. So let's get our stuff ready. This is the first time I'm trading GJ this year on my community. So we're going for GJ. GJ is going to be the trade. This is going to be the trade for today. So this is just because I looked up GJ yesterday and I saw. Going for GJ, guys. We're going to be selling GJ. So what we need price to do is close the way it's going to close right now. Then we need a pullback on the price coming back up to retest. Then as price is breaking the structure, breaking this low, we look to sell GJ to the downside. So this is exactly what I want. With volume, price will just push to the downside. So this is exactly what we're anticipating. And calculate your risks and all. And that's going to be all on GJ. So that's exactly what we're looking for. So let's see. Let's see how I can put my position in. What I like is that I'll be able to put a good stop loss. So I can actually use the above the structure 20 p. So let's see. Need that pullback up. Need that pullback. If you don't get that pullback, I don't think I would want to place a trade. Actually need that pullback. Need that pullback, guys. Need that pullback. Because that pullback will determine the direction of the markets. Good. That's good. I like the pullback. I like the pullback. This is good. This is very, very good. So now I'm putting my entries as a flip of the candle. So if I get the flip, then we're getting the entries. This is good, guys. This is good. Let's say 30 minutes close. Ah, good, 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 good. Yeah, I'm sending it out. This is a trade. I'm looking to trade right now. I'm sending it out. Sending it out, guys. When you're active, guys, we are not yet active. Just so you know, the trade is not active yet, but we will soon be active. The moment we are active, I'll let you guys know and we'll see how the trade plays out. The moment we're active, I'll let you guys know and we see how it plays out. But we are not yet active, guys. Okay, guys, the trade is active. The trade is active. The trade is active. The trade is active, guys. Let's see how this goes. The trade is active, guys. This is GJ, so this is not gold where you just see quickly, you just see a quick move on the pair and now massive profit. This is GJ. Even the pip count is not the same as gold, so you have to always know how to calculate your risks. So it's not like the same. So that's why we look to move our stop to BE when price gets to this low. Yeah, that's why we look to move our stop to BE. So let's wait, guys. First time trading GJ this year and in a long while, actually. First time. So let's see if DJ still knows how to respect to my market structure or GJ does his own thing. So this is like the first time I'm trading DJ in a very long while. So how we're managing this trade, you can see where we have our stop loss here. But if price pull back up and break above this is previous candle like this high, we're going to instantly close 50% of our position, like immediately only close 50% of our position and allow the rest. So that's exactly what we're going to do. That's exactly how we're going to manage this trade. So while we wait like this, let's check what GD is doing as well. Let's see what gold is doing as well. Let's check what gold is doing. Don't want to use those two different tabs. Is it the market is trending? So if there's volume on our side, we would get price moving our way in this volume. We're waiting, guys. All right, let's me check. Let me check on gold. So I'm check on gold to see how gold is doing. Okay, the price market is now pushing against us. It's no longer, it's not showing me strength that I want, but it's still hovering. So we haven't gotten price breaking above this candle, but the 5 minutes is the problem right now. You can see this 5 minutes support right here. So we need this candle, we need a candle closing below this level. Like if you see a candle closing below this level, that was going to be a very strong reason for price to continue pushing downwards. So let's anticipate and hope with gold on. But regardless of it, all time frame matters. You can see it's pushing up. Okay, I'm going to close. I'm closing 50% now. Closing part of my position now where price is. I yeah, I just did close part of my position, and I'm leaving the rest to see how that plays out. I'm leaving the rest. So this is going to be recorded as a losing trade because I cannot pull back any position. I don't think I'll pull back any position on the trade. So this is what happened when gold is not doing what we like. Now we're forced to trade all our pairs. Actually forced to trade all our pairs. So that's it. I see waiting that I see have a runners, I see have a bit of runners. I close um majority of I have 50% of my position, so I have like 50% on. So I close 50% at around 12. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's around 12. Okay, 09. So let's see. So if this trade move back down to the downside and gets to like 9 pips, it's going to be a break even for me. It's going to be a break even trade because it's basically the same thing. So let's see. Let's see, guys. We haven't gotten stop that yet, so let's see. But the 55 minutes has engulfed. See, you can see it. So if this candle breaks this high, I think that's it for us. Anyway, I love trading gold because gold won't be stressing me like this. It's either it's on TP. Oh, okay, guys. It's breaking above the high now. It's breaking above the high. So I feel we will likely get stopped out soon, especially if the 15 minutes close bullish. Okay, I'm closing another 50% of my position. Actually, I'm closing 50% of my position again. I'm managing my risks to the fullest. managing my risk to the fullest, guys. So that's it, guys. We got stopped out, and hope you guys learned something from this trade. I just showed you guys how to manage risks on the trade. That is the important thing. That's the story at the end of the day, like how to manage risks. So I was just anticipating price to just volume to continue pushing to the downside, but price did not do that. So, but it's fine. Um, fine. Risks were managed, and we're okay with that. So I think that's it. That's it, guys. Anyways, we placed one trades and we've been live for over 40 minutes. So I don't think I don't think I'm doing anything else now. I don't think this gold is not giving me any structure. It's just GG. I saw a setup that I felt like would go my way. So we'll call it a day. And this is where we end the stream. So I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, tomorrow is what, Thursday. Hopefully I see you guys tomorrow or on Friday. So peace and love, and thank you all for streaming.